D, mad face, gross case.
Shotgunz in hell.
Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up.
Shotgunz in hell.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Shotgunz in hell.
Back, motherfuckers.
Shotgunz in hell.
D.O.D. mad face.
Shotgunz in hell.
I know who you came to see. Onyx, D.O.D. I know who you came to see. Onyx, D.O.D.
It's kinda quiet in here. 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 I can't hear you niggas. What? 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 I can't hear you niggas. I can't hear you niggas. I can't feel you niggas. I never shed a tear for niggas. Yeah, I don't care for niggas. I'ma tear them niggas. Niggas getting pissed, I'm a ladder nigga. Call me savage nigga. On acid trip. I got half a liver. Nigga pass the liquor. I'm like master splitter. Kick your ass, remember. Get back in line or get blasted, nigga. Like rat-a-tat-tat. Niggas get whacked like an Islam on back. Give me the strap, I'll get rid of the sap. Cap in your back.
I put fear in the hearts of those trying to be clear on the cards I hold. Salute the troops, kid, lock and load. Shoot to kill till they ride like dope. No truces, shoelace nooses. Push this unstable table. Leave you in the wet with the leather all red. Send them on a trip cause they better off dead. Yes, you get your head FedEx. Box of the steps of your ex address. Shot to your neck, now your legs a mess. Bound to the chair with the wheels attached.
What? I can't hear you niggas. 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 What? I can't hear you niggas.
Sick a lunatic gone postal. I can't hear y'all, I'm antisocial. I take your empire with a pen, I wrote you. Rotisserie, history, out straight ghost you. 4-5 out the holster. Convict marking my target to storm me. Guess I'm back like John Wick, bombing. Believe it, I'm leaving bullets in your colonic. It's dope and Onyx.
It's kinda quiet in here. Niggas better put on their riot gear. About to start a motherfucking riot in here. The terror nigga, don't try it here. So stand the fuck up. Yelling this shit, put your hands the fuck up. Life is a bitch, man the fuck up and be full. The gun don't jam the fuck up.
I'm ordinarily like this, they treat me like I'm special. When I drop shit, it's like a fucking scud missile. In the mosh pit, about to pop a blood vessel. Don't talk shit, I'll stage dive, come get you. I'm a shark bitch, I'm gothic, get your ass for dinner, man. You think I'm old school, nigga, you'll get euthanized. Grew up a cop killer, but was born to do or die. Move the money making when I started making money. Where the south side keep it, you can take it from me. You got a smart mouth, but I take you for a dummy. Calm down, I take what you can't get back from.
I can't hear you niggas. What? 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 I can't hear you niggas.
It's dope and Onyx.
It's kinda quiet in here.
You got your head FedEx.
Niggas better put on their riot gear.
Send them on the trip cause they better off dead.
Kinda quiet in here.
I'm a shark bitch,
Don't try it here.
Get this out. No, please, put this fucking shit. Touch this status fucking dope. What? I can't hear you, nigga.
We stepping through your door and put the weapon to your jaw. I'm running through your shit while you're heading for the floor. Anything that fist gets ripped, I zip lock it. pickpocket. I'll show you what a sick fuck is.
I get nuggets, big bricks, your shit plummet. I did, done it, your bitch gut it. I'm too rugged on my BA Baracus, your niggas is faggots. Fucking with the dope, you get damaged.
We the baddest, the ugly, fuck the good. They shall perish, trust me, knock on wood. Evil deadish, sellers, got the book, got the look. Got 'em shook like a seesaw sucker.
Motherfucker, I never take this shit too light now. Try and bite me, I'ma bust back in your white bitch. Precisely, this life is so pricey. Now run them new motherfucking Nikes, nigga.
The light beam flickers, big butt strippers, lip gloss glitters, cocaine mirrors, big buck figures. I figure you get the picture. Stick drove vicious and reaper, we came to rip ya.
Stick a nigga, now I got 5D6 figures. Sipping liquor like to get high, don't lift fingers. Cause I'm way too lazy to be bumping your shit. I need a bump in the fifth before I jump off the cliff.
When you hit the gun,
Bang, bang, bang.
you will fill your ears.
Ring, ring, ring.
You know we only talk,
Slang, slang, slang.
so you can see the change.
Bang, bang,
It's triple X when you hit the gun.
bang, bang, bang.
You will fill your ears.
Ring, ring, ring.
You know we only talk,
Slang, slang, slang.
so you can see the change.
Bang, bang,
It's triple
bang.
X.
Yo, we sneak up in the crib, put the sauce to your ribs. Niggas tryna figure how these niggas know where I live. I click clack with the strap, we buck 'em down. Kids get kidnapped, no kidding, don't fuck around. It's the gritty, the grimy, don't get me mad. What shots in your liver have you shit in the bag? Yo, I promise, cross my heart, hope to die. You can't kill the Onyx, my niggas multiply. I'm mad face pirate, shiver me timbers. You don't wanna end up on the bottom of my timber. Plans, kick the door, give me the grands. Big shotgun like I'm Simi the Sam.
I ain't scared of hell, I done been on fire before. I'm the alpha male, I live inside of the floor. Nigga tattletale, we a wire you jaw. If I'm out on bail, I'm a bail on fire for sure. God in the flesh, possessed by the spirit in me. Bottle my sweat, sell it as an energy drink. I don't make threats, couldn't tell we even have beef. But you gon' regret the day you meet the demon in me. I was born triplets, but I'm the lucky fool. My pops told my mom's to pick one and drown the other two. I'm out and about, nigga, I ain't hard to get to. Not a word out my mouth, I let the bitch shoot. Fuck rhyming, it's a rap for you. I punch niggas in they face, slap order lawsuit. Kill you, I'm trying to keep you alive. To see how much pain you can take before you die.
When you hit the gun,
Bang, bang, bang.
you will fill your ears.
Ring, ring, ring.
You know we only talk,
Slang, slang, slang.
so you can see the change.
Bang, bang,
It's triple X when you hit the gun.
bang, bang, bang.
You will fill your ears.
Ring, ring, ring.
You know we only talk,
Slang, slang, slang.
so you can see the change.
Bang, bang. It's triple X.
I drove to murder this shit. I got this. Yeah. What? I don't give a fuck, boy. Middle fingers up to you fuck boys. Onyx DOD, yeah, we my boy. DOPE, black rock boy. Drop boys, the illest in the ozone. No clone, I'll be bad to the bone homes. So stone, take a dab off the homegrown. I phone home like an extraterrestrial.
Out of this world, bitch, your rap shit's terrible. Talk the talk, walk the walk, no you never do. Chop your head off, then I put it on a pedestal. Clean up the tools, had a scheme, but you never knew.
You never knew when you never will know. Crack your window, take that Nintendo. Ketamine flow, 5 low. Psycho, 5-0, die slow. I'm a pyromaniac.
Ready for the sneak attack.
Niggas know the reaper back. Burning through your speaker set.
We ain't getting weaker yet.
Sudden death, 100 man.
Understand,
They got us living in the last days.
I don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck.
Straight from the green, I'll be giving you the pain.
I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck.
I'll be giving you the
Sounds like the sounds of war.
What? We saying fuck all you bitch niggas. Guns up, we sticking all you rich niggas. Onyx DOD, take your bitch niggas. When you see us coming, better dig your ditch niggas. We put them 6 feet deep underground, yo.
I'm going in for the kill, homie, down, dro.
Yo, I got a stick, I'ma hold it down, bro. I kill them all till you won't hear sound, yo. We black mask it, niggas get blasted. Black suits, black curves, black caskets. Black bulls, boys.
The jungle, nigga.
Cooking soul.
Yeah. Where I'm from, bitches always in the ratchet stuff. And where I'm from, niggas always keep their ratchets up. Keep running from the law, but they catching up. Can't see me, can't trap me, nigga, mask is out.
Don't fuck with me, it's written all over my face. If you fuck with me, I'm spitting all over your face. If you die, nigga, then I'm spitting on your grave. You was burning in hell, when spit on the flame. Hang around scoundrel for beer money. I'm dead, in 1 hour you don't hear from me. My gear bummy, full of holes in my polo. Mad face, I'm wearing Onyx, got the fucking logo. All my guns illegal, bust one in the air. That's for my people that be under the stairs. The judge said I look guilty. I'm always doing dirt, so if I get rich, I'm gonna be filthy.
I come equipped with a little bit of Henny. Getting pissed quick, press the key across your Chevy. I want to get away like Lenny. Get away car like a rally. Race car, spray bars, bass leave your face scarred. Snakes in the grass, get a trim with the chainsaw. Yes, written all over my face. Red-handed, pissing all over your grave. Ain't nobody telling me how to behave. It's 100 mad, drag a bitch down to my cave. The bitch ass bootlegger selling my tape, I guess shot. Leave 6 holes in your brain.
Yeah, I'm like a motherfucking cobra. Straight spit in your face, your game over. Straight living sedated, no way sober. Straight demon, I mean, and I played over. Yeah, the devil got my back, bitch. Cause when I spit in your face, you taste acid. These niggas frivolous the way I stay classic. See me fiddle with babes, you stay faggot, and I had it. Niggas in my fashion, packing automatic. Leaving niggas static, the motherfucking caskets. I roll with the pole-headed bastard. Shitting on your face with a passion for rap.
Stop running, I'm running, I got it, nigga, none of y'all want it. It's not a whodunit, deny it, leave a knot in your stomach. To God that you coming, I beat the hell out of you, bugging. Gotta be buzzing, I stuff your ass inside of the oven. Time you discover it, be nothing left to hide you from it. I'm right at the summit, you in the red, out of your budget. Lie to the judges, off of fans, right in the public. We dying because it, I hate violence, lie to
I'm not the one to be fucked with. Bitch niggas on that fuck shit. I'm not the one to be trusted. Load it up, cock it back, then I bust it.
nigga be blazing. Yeah. Fire. Blood. Yeah. Hey, yo, move, mate. I'm getting moved, eh? Cause your music, it don't move, man. I'm in the mood today to just shoot away. Nigga, too crazy, Paul Moon, eh? Y'all bitch niggas just too raid. And we crusade from here to UK like a new plague. It's too late, we bring it down.
It's not my dream day, but I blow cake. Not winter time, but she a snowflake. In the bathroom, taking a coke break. Doing cricket shit to get the dough straight. Fuck a gym, but we whole weight. Pushing pounds through the whole state. Let the bullets in your brain just rotate. Leave a nigga body in a cold state. Rigor mortis, that's when you go against niggas' orders. Electric tape like Biggie taught us. The type that'll kidnap niggas' daughters. Half my niggas is brain dead. Eyes the color blood stain red.
Now is not the time for fear. That comes later.
Like Bane said.
Yo, move, mate, I'm getting moved, eh? Cause your music, it don't move, man. I'm in the mood today to just shoot away. Nigga, too crazy, Paul Moon, eh? Y'all bitch niggas just too raid. And we crusade from here to UK like a new plague. It's too late, we break it.
Give me the title, I'm killing my rivals and any beside them with evil intent. Drop it, Onyx, COD on it. We quick to demolish your feeble event. Read all about it, we out here. Diesel with some of that style beer. Sticky and droll, fill them with holes. Vicious and brief, put them to sleep. Deadly vapors, plastic tubes and respirators. Stack of paper, back to Vegas. Crack a bottle, smack a waiter. So and so they sew you up. Comatose, you ghost to duck. Back on the scene with a banger. Handle the heat with the hammer.
I'm still on paper, fresh out of jail. No heavenly father, I was raised in hell. Barely had a mother, she was raised in Bell. Sister around the corner selling fruit cocktail. Bitches on your knees, niggas, get your hands up. What's it gonna be? Either way, I'm a bust. I'm moving overseas, America's so far. Once I got drunk, woke up and voted for Trump. It's the end of the world and I'm holding the pump. Think of your girl, but she rolling my blunt. Drinking my hand while I'm slapping the butt. If it's Tuesday, I'ma go nuts. Take you apart, see what you made of. Playing apart, the whole life made up. Take out your heart, see what your brain does. It's only death, what you afraid of?
Move made, I'm getting moved, eh? Cause your music, it don't move me. I'm in the mood today to just shoot away. Nigga, too crazy, po moon it. Y'all bitch niggas just Tomb Raid. And we crusade from here to UK. Like a new plague, it's too late. We break it, close back.
Living in the streets, but this life it don't get better. Looking for the cheddar, niggas gripping that Beretta. Living with the terror, think you clever, fucking popo. My niggas on the edge, going loco and so-so. 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow. Die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow.
I'm in the back streets, I'm trying to duck the block. The spot open all night like a trucker spot. Fuck a cop, if they come around we take it up a notch. Or get shot for the same shit that got James Tucker pop. Pops on the run, little Dicky, son of a bitch, sucking on mom's little titties. Police think I'm a suspect, little Biggie. Heard a crazy nigga put wings on them little piggies.
This little piggy got a warrant, and he think that he can run up in my home. This little piggy is a target, and he don't think that he can get it in the dome.
5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow. Die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow. I don't get no sleep, boy, I'll be steady counting sheep. Awake for like a week, but never weak. I watch the willow weep. I sweep them off the feet, then put the razor to your cheek. PCP like Cajun tame, my brain is going leak. And I heard they put a price upon my head. Alive or dead is what the sheriff said, I bet. Blood will shed and spread though. Call my homie Fredro. The shell will swell your melon, crackers spilling bloody egg, yo. Let's go. Die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow. Die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow, 5-0, die slow.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Die slow,
Get your pig by the toe.
die slow,
If he screams once more,
die slow,
grab his head and slit his throat.
die slow, 5-0.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a pig by the toe. If he screams once more, grab his head and slit his throat. Cut you open wide, searching for the soul inside you. And then right before you die, had the surgeons revive you. Give you the remix, same beat and different licks. Criminals on payroll, that's what a cop is. That's why they spell it B-A-D-G-E. They got the badge, how come we the ones that's bad, G? Yo, alright, let's break it down, alright? So Jay, what's your drug of choice?
Goddamn, that's a hard one, I gotta say.
A lot of shit.
No, only one.
Molly's, nigga.
Who?
Molly's.
Molly's?
Ooh, that boy like
Nigga,
Molly.
listen, if I took Molly, believe me, I got some ransom money.
Listen, Skits, what's your drug of choice?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms?
Fucking psycho fucking jelly.
Shit. Fredro, what's your drug of choice?
Weed, nigga. Straight up marijuana, nigga. It ain't even a drug. That's
Ain't a drug, huh?
I see that way.
Tell us your judge, nigga.
Shit ain't no motherfucker.
Yo, Chew, what's your drug of choice? Hash.
You said hash.
Hash, man. Fuck it.
That's some crazy shit.
What, you eat with your eggs and shit?
What's your drug of choice?
What's my drug of choice?
Yeah, nigga.
Well, how many choices I get again? What's my drug of choice? I would say awareness.
What about cocaine?
Well, cocaine gives you awareness. A lot of things give you awareness.
Dope, D-O-D, Onyx. One, two, yeah, we coming for your crew. 3, 4, my niggas knocking on your door. 5, 6, we pissed and we equipped. 7, 8, 9, 10, we coming so it's best you don't slay. Yo, motherfuckers is testing me, they wanna get the best of me. Best believe they won't let me breathe, so I need a little stress relief. Need a little extra cheese, need a little extra weed before I lose my shit. Make a bitch ass nigga, rest in peace, goddamn. Put the gun in my hand, nigga, I'ma blam like a Mexican standoff. I'ma shut your trap so you can't talk. Nigga, that check, hand off. I never been a fan, no. Rip that ass, I'm like Hancock. These niggas is brainwashed, that's why we going hard and you staying so.
Freddy Krueger left the building. Jason took the kids to camp. Trick or treat, I pull the heat and show you how to rob a bank. Michael Myers came for Christmas. Chucky had some different plans. Guess that means I'm next in line to catch you with an empty tank. I'm a motherfucking monster, bitch. Lay eggs bigger than an ostrich. Oyster slime on my upper lip. Plastic Glock plus a box of bricks. Hardcore crew with a bunch of hits. WhatsApp ringing with 100 chicks. No way back once you cross the bridge. They all lay flat when I pop the clip.
Smoking blunts with Ted Bundy, Charles Manson, drinking Millers. Tell me what's your sign, bitch? I'm the Zodiac killer. Yeah, I'm the lady killer. Bitches call me Jack Ripper. Niggas call me Jeffrey Dahmer, cause I'm eating all you niggas. Shitting all niggas can lies to me. Put a cut on your face like apostrophe. Get a gun, I ain't no boxer. Beat it 38 and fucking straighten up your posture, G. I make a catastrophe, get skied up with a ski mask for me. A runaway slave with a master keys. Fuck the world, you go after me. Crime for a day, yeah, the purge is back. Killing these niggas with these murder raps. Steal all niggas, yeah, the burger's back. Push a nigga fucking wig further back. Bitches always tell me I ain't shit. You know what, bitch, I ain't shit. Put the gun to your head, now watch your brain. That's what I'm painting that war with. What's worse than killing you? Let you live life and be miserable. Look at you, you fucking pitiful. Stop knowing niggas with a death to you. Think 2/5 of on 10, who want it? Take me your shit, what you wanna do for it? Facing my fist and get all good.
Faking on me, just go get you all bloody. God struck you blind, you still see me up. Niggas do a lot of time for a little money. Squad must be blind, ain't see it coming. Niggas give it up and ain't get shit from it. Hocus pocus, used to be gone. I break it down, they see that yo. I make them disappear right in the dead end. So you would have sawed off right here.
Psychopath. I'm a psychopath. Yeah. What? Yo. I'm a psychopath, lighting a flare during Bible class, torching the teacher's ass to all the screams and laughs, smashing your face with a brick of hash. I got a click of bass, stick a fag, figure fast killers, cash get a mad iller, grin is gold plated, grass spin a glass sniffer, triple X rated, shaded in my tree hut, pop you in your peanuts, rob you from your jewels, get it sucker, now you see blood. When the moon's full, me and Sticky team up and give it to you raw in ways a bully couldn't dream of. I got that dope and a spoon for you to heat up. Now let me show you hell. You'll feel a little sting, love. Pull up in the pickup with the bloody bumper. Spaghetti monster, the booth is like a bunker. I won't flinch when I slit this wrist. Get the digits, bitch. 66666. I'm a psychopath. I'm a psychopath. I'm a psychopath.
And these bitches think I'm psycho. I got a dark mind cause Con Ed turned off my lights, bro. So every day to me is fucking nitro. The psycho. Picking up hitchhikers up on my motorcycle. Don't give a fuck if you niggas like us, get bitches like us, get thrown in the ditch with the fucking hitchhikers. A few bodies in the ditches. I'm in the dark room with the negative, trying to make pictures. Fuck trying to think positive, done. I'm a doomsday prep, a whole closet with guns. I'm fucking stressed, like waiting for deposits to come. Your bitch face, that's why I deposit my cum. See, I'm sick in the head, I'm sick, psychopathic. This murder scene site is so graphic. Crime for a day, yeah, the purge is back. I'm killing these niggas with these murder raps.
Yeah, yo, I'm a psychopath, loaded how the rifle blast. Sipping on some NyQuil, no one knows how long the night'll last. Told your mama she was fat and now she want the lipo fast. Kissing on a cellulite, I take a shit, she wipe my ass. It's sight to see. Enemies wanna stick a knife in me, rightfully, cause every verse I'm spitting it delightfully. A couple bloody carcasses rotting in the parking lot. Start the clock, don't really matter if it's dark or not. Attack you in the afternoon and worry about no witnesses. Ever since a baby I was diagnosed with sicknesses. Pull the teeth out of the skull, ain't nobody sick as this. Can't identify exactly who the fucking victim is. I used to eat fish heads, locked up in the attic. Started with a joint, but now I'm probably an addict. They wanna see me quit, but I just keep on keeping at it. They trying to learn it manually, I kill it automatic.
Psychopath. I'm a psycho.
What? You don't want that. Them girls only know 3 words. Stop, no, and don't.
My brother, you got those words backwards. They always tell me, no, don't stop. Excuse me. Player.
I'm not a player, I just cheat, deceive, hate a lot. Yeah.
Frankie Kruger, spanking cougars, bloodshot, cum shot, bag of Buddha. After school she gagged the ruler, class dismissed, I had to do her. Scooby snacks for shaggy losers, I do math with ass and hooters. Private pool with the hilltop view, sexy body, ill tattoos. Bitches call my feather line like, hit me baby one more time. But you ain't no friend of mine, just read the human traffic sign. Ain't no way I marry him, I play like Dan Bilzerian. And all the girlies say is pretty big for a white dick. I'm arrogant like Hasselhoff or David Duchovny. Californicate him on the bay as they watch me. She got a posse. I think she's into hockey. Fashion killer, fuck her while she's bumping ASAP Rocky. Illa thriller, rhythm driller, till the ceiling crumbles. My anaconda only want the major laser bubbles. But without the extra T, I'm still a fresh MC. So as she spreads them cheeks, I'm yelling, let me please. Plug it in her butt and hit her sister with it. And she with it, so I rub it in her face. Suckers never get it, but I got it in a minute. Now she sucking, got no rubber, but I fuck her anyway. Plug it in her butt and hit her sister with it. And she with it, so I rub it in her face. Suckers never get it, but I got it in a minute. Now she sucking, got no rubber, but I fuck her anyway.
I just wanna get laid, my dick be looking for prey. Don't give a fuck what a bitch say, she'll sail away when I spray. Come shots to your face, it's my way or the highway. Bitches wanna shop all day, if you pussy good then I'll pay. Let's do this shit well okay, wanna be my queen or my slave. Put that pussy in a cage, Johnny Cage I don't play. I want a big booty I can taste, I wanna get real groovy on the whip. I don't pimp this bitch, put food on the plate and I did it all in a day. It's just me and Jack, the white vagina find it, don't look, I'm right behind ya. Better keep running, baby I'm coming, bitch stop crying, I might find ya. Yeah, you won't get too far, come out, wherever you are. You can't run away, okay I'll put the gun away. Just wanna tie you up and have some fun today. I'm the night stalker, I got a fit for that Johnny Walker. Cold heart, smooth talker, can turn a sweet girl to a street walker. Let's take a walk in my torture chamber. Didn't mommy tell you don't talk to strangers? Rap group sex on tour with strangers. Zodiac sign is caution danger.
They call me Sticky Fingers. Wanna know I smell my fingers? That bitch bitch breath smell like penis. Wanna know why I fucking think genius? My bitch a sex slave, yo bitch masturbate. And when she talk shit, I make her take ass to face. On all fours like a female dog should be. No more shit talking to your mouth to a pussy. Fuck me, make you love, please stop bleeding. Can't take the meat, the pussy is vegan. Can't fuck you city, bitch. Niggas conceited. Flipping like a coin, heads and tails, I'ma beat it. Screaming for God in the church bathroom. Fucking right in the pussy, right in the ass too. Shit, my idea fast food. Suck dick and get a protein shake, bro.
Player.
Fuck, these niggas got me. Shit. Hey, yo, man. Y'all niggas finished digging that hole yet?
We just finished digging that shit. And you late, nigga.
Yeah, I know I was changing fucking diapers, man. Where the fucking body, man? Let's get this shit over with.
Sticky got it. He ain't here yet.
Nigga taking all day and shit, man. Get this nigga right now. Hey, what's up, nigga?
What up, nigga? Yo, who gonna get the fucking body out my trunk, man?
Yo, you gonna get the body?
Call him right now, man. I gotta get my ass back to the crib. Let's do this shit, man.
Come on, help me get the body.
All right, let's go.
Pass it.
All right, grab him by that leg. Heavy piece of shit. Damn.
Fat motherfucker.
All right, kick him down there. Sleep tight, motherfucker.
All right, man. I'm gonna go get the next body.
And I'll puff. And I'll blow your house in.
We rollin' with the zombies.
Stacking bodies.
D.O.D.ing.
Stacking bodies.
We rollin' with the zombies.
Stacking bodies. Stacking bodies.
Niggas wake up in Bugattis. I woke up in the streets, right next to a dead body. Let me taste that meat. The brain leak, cause my teeth is in too deep. Yo, freaks, let's creep, cause my life felt incomplete. I need sleep, I need peace, I need meat, I need sheep that can follow and swallow my shit. Now peep, my motto, I'll eat your brains for breakfast and the scraps is for tomorrow. Now cannibal like the man, I'll leave you hollow.
Hey yo, it's open season. I got buckshot for a silly rabbit, and I don't need a reason. Kick that grime, I'm Dizzy Rasket. Stacking bodies, back with Onyx. Run New York, I run the morgue. Rocking the stocking, blocking the jogging. Opening cupboards, closing drawers. And the axe I swing is rusty, and the chance you got is none. Johnny's here, the rum is red, and I'm on the hunt for my wife and son. Bloody Mary had a little lamb she had to silence. I shine like ultraviolet, my rhymes is ultra-violent. We rollin' with the zombies.
Stacking bodies.
D.O.D.ing.
Stacking bodies.
We rollin' with the zombies.
Stacking bodies. Stacking bodies.
Here's Johnny. I got bodies on ice. They stacked in the freezer. All these flashing lights, these niggas catching seizures. Catch a head rush like after niggas sneezes. Gotta take his eyes out, hand me the tweezers. I'm stacking bodies, count 'em out, Lay your ligaments, laying all around my house.
Fuck a fade, line you up, push your hairline back. Fuck you say, tie you up, give you a hairline frat. You getting too big, I'ma put you on a diet. Truth is, nigga, you don't wanna die yet.
The devil told me try it. There was nothing to it. Gun to my head, I'm dead if I don't fucking shoot it. I'm stacking another body, now I gotta move it. Help me put this pump in the trunk of the Buick.
These acting figurative. You probably lost your virginity by raping a bitch. These acting figurative. Sticky fingers evil, but mine is the gate to the abyss. I'm on another plane, gotta fix my mask first. I'm so fucking real, this could be my last verse. I'm taking niggas rashes, I'm irrational. Show my true face with the ski mask crew.
We rollin' with the zombies.
Stacking bodies.
D.O.D.ing.